Hey, welcome guys. So in this tutorial of Solidworks we are going to see that how can you make an exploded isometric drawing using the drawing format. So like we have this drawing sheet, so how can you make here an exploded isometric drawing. So and then how can you insert this bill of materials in this drawing, how can you give part number description, all this material thing in the drawing format. So let's start how to do that. So before going that, I will say that if you don't have watched my video for exploded view, watch that video, and then you can proceed to this video. So um, this is the exploded view. Like if you go for, this is the like assembly. If you go for exploded view here, you can make that exploded view again. So let me show you that in a quick way. So I have exploded view. I will click this first, I will move it like this, will move the I will click on this, click on this, move it like this, and then it's done. So this is the exploded view of an assembly. So I will save this and I have this exploded view. Now I will go for file, go for new, and go for drawing. If you go for drawing, you will get this drawing sheet. Now here go for you layout, click on model view, and then go for browse and browse that exploded assembly you have made. And if you go for here, click on this isometric view, paste it like this, I put it here. Here you can change the scale, let's use 1:1, and I will put this exploded isometric view of an assembly in this drawing sheet. So I have put this in the drawing sheet. Now you have to give assembly numbers. How can you do that? So there are two different ways. Go to annotations, you can click on balloon, and you can give individual part to a number. You can give a number to individual part. The other option is auto balloon. If you click on auto balloon, it will, like as you can see, that it will, for all component, it will make its respective number. It can give respective number like 1 2 3 as per the assemble parts. So let's say auto balloon, click on auto balloon, you can see that it has given 1 for the bottom, 2 for the middle, 3 for the pin. And you can if you drag it, you can see that you can drag the balloons also to get a particular good view. So now there are some pattern type, as you can see here. So if you click like this, it will make the balloons horizontally on the top like this. Then we have like this, this, and this. So I'm going to use this balloon at the bottom. I will move, if you click your left mouse button and drag it, you can drag the balloons in this way. And then click on right here. So we have this balloons marked for 1 2 3. So these are the parts, part number, you can say that. And then now we are going to add bill of materials. So to add bill of materials, you have to go to tables, click on here bill of materials. If you click, you have to select a drawing. This is the drawing which I have selected. Now there are some options for bill of materials, like parts only, indented, top level only, displays. You can see that start at 1, incremental, document setting. So this is the for border, there are so many. Just click on this okay. If you want to change that setting, you can change it, but now click on this, and then you can get this bill of material table. You can place it wherever you like to put it. I have the space at the top, so I put it here. Now as you can see, RB, this part number I have already given. So in the previous one I have already given the part number, so it will take that part number for this, because the part number will remain the constant for an part. So the part number will remain the constant. If I put this part in the another assembly, the part number will remain the same, but the assembly number will change. So that is the main difference between the part number and the assembly number. So now I have given the description, it remains the same. If I change it here, the quantity is there, you can put it, you can, if it is like two pieces, then it will take the quantity 2, item number is 1 2 3, part number. And now let's see how can you modify this bill of materials. So if you right click on bill of materials, you can see that there is insert option. If you insert, go to insert option, click like row below, you can add a row below. If you again click here insert column left, you can insert a column. Now here you can see the column type. So custom property, units of measure equation, there are some different property you can use. I'm going for custom property. Property name, there are some property name which you can use. So let's now going for title, and we can change that later words. So if you click here, like click anywhere, now here as you can see SW title. If you double click on this, you can change the title. You can delete this and you can say materials, and then click anywhere, and now you will get the material column. You can change the size of a bill of material table like by dragging like this. You can move it by holding this, and you can change the font. If you double click on this, if you select this, you can change the font. You can make the color. You can give the alignment like this. You can give the bullet. This is the uppercase. So there are so many options, you can use that. So in this way you can edit the bill of materials like this. Now if you click on here, and if you go for here, okay, so in this way you can edit the bill of materials, and you can I already made a video for this. You can edit this properties of the drawing sheet. That's easy. Just go to sheet format, edit sheet format. If you double click it, you can delete it like this, and you can rename it if you want it, like, and you can move it and you can put it here. So in this way you can make this exploded assembly drawing sheet. If you like this video, like it, and thank you for watching the video.